Let us continue. So a single variable can have what? Multiple values. I have taken a box. That box is called as what? List. And starting only. Okay. Then enough input. In the input, we need to pass something compulsory or optional. Optional. Splitting by what now? Space. Then print a comma type of a. Suppose now I am passing now multiple values now. Example like what now? 3 space, 4 space, 5 space, 6 space, 7 or 1, then next 2. However, I can pass. This all values will be now stored in the variable called as now a. See, in one box will I got now. And what type it is now? Class of list. Make this first point. Like previously, if I want to declare two values, what I should do? A equal to int of input, B equal to int of input, I should do now. And I'll do in the short way and show you once. So on now onwards, you can apply the short technique there. More 80 lines, more 50 lines. And make a point. A single variable can have what? Multiple values. Yes or no? In 431 line, how many variables I have there? Single variable. Okay. Now see here. Remember ways to assign variables? Day 1 or day 2? Day 2. Ways to assign variables. How many ways there? 4 ways. Now, how many variables I keep? Those many values I have to assign. I can't pass less, I can't pass more. Same now. A single variable can have what? Multiple values. But when I pass now a comma b, now I can only pass two values. Can't pass one value. Can't pass more than two. Can't pass more than two. Let me show you now. Clear scheme. Run the code. Suppose 4 space 5 space 4 space 5 space 2 space 6. Suppose how many values have passed there? 4. How many variables there? 2. Means understand now. Value of a how much? 4. Value of b how much? 5. Remaining this 2 again. That's I get the what? Error there. What I get? Value error. Too many values to unpack. Expected how many? 2. Okay. I can't pass less also. Means same thing topic coming again. Dead topic again coming now. So all topics what should till now will come back again now. Suppose only one value I have passed now. How many values? One value. Press enter now. Value error. Not enough values to unpack. Expected how many? 2. Got how many? So you can't pass less. You can't pass more. Okay. And I'm splitting by what? This space. Okay. Now let me pass suppose 5 and then what? 7 now. What is the value of A? 5. B value? 7. What is the answer of 432 line? 5 space. What type it is? A is what type? A is what type? Int? Yes or no? Okay. Because now can I take now I can't pass any float value or string value. Example hy or py space suppose 4. Py is what type? String. 4 is what type? Int. Starting only I mentioned. Remember na int of input there you can't pass string, you can't pass float. Same thing here. You can't pass what a string will not take. Value error invalid literal for int with base 10. You can't even pass what float value also. Suppose I'll pass 3.4 space 6.7. You can't pass. You only can pass what integer values. But if you want to take string, no need of passing str also. You can keep what simply x enough. We'll take everything now. Let us pass suppose hello there. A is what type now? A is print A. Hello. What type? A is what type? Hello. How many I have to pass first of all here? 2. Can't pass single. So hello space suppose 5. A is equal to what? Hello. Okay. B equal to what? 5. A is what type now? B what type? A, B, here only, everything here only. String. Let me prove you there. Let me keep there what now? D for clarity purpose. So clear skin now. Run the code again. Suppose we'll pass the what? Hello space 6. Hello is what type? String. 6 also what type? String. Did I mention the int there? No, na. Then why? Or should I keep the str there? Input by default what type? String type. If you want to keep str, you can keep. But why should I keep? Always what type? String type. So 6 is what type? But if you want to take float or something, you can take it. Now if I pass a float, can I pass integer value? Thing one. Suppose if I pass there what? 4 space 7.8. Now print B. B value what type? B answer what? 7.8. What type 7.8 is what type? Float. Now let me pass some value now. Suppose I'll pass 3 comma 3 space 6 now. B value how much is 6? 6 what type? Don't think all those things. Simply 431. A, B will be what type here? Float type. Okay. So 6 will be what type now? Float. What I get in the output there? Clear now? So what happens here if I say take A value, B value, C value of what n type? Then instead of doing the wasting the lines there, A equal to int of input, B equal to int of input, C equal to int of input. 3 lines are wasting there. You can take in one line. Simple. A comma B comma C int of. If are all are what type? N type. Okay. Got the point? So I'll keep the int of x. All what type now? A, B is what type? Int. Now a single variable can have what? Multiple values. So let me keep it what? A here again. Back. So a single variable can have what? Multiple values. And splitting what there? Space. Suppose 4 space 7 space 9. What I'll get to? In the box 4 comma 7 comma 9. Or what type? Class of list. But if I don't give space, I suppose I keep their comma. See here 2 comma 5 comma 7 comma not m comma 2 comma 5 comma 8 comma 1. Told there what is split by what space. What I'm keeping there what now? Comma will not work. I can decide how I want to split them. Split by space or split by what comma or split by colon there. Now get the what colon now. Now see once here now. Suppose 4 colon 7 colon 1 colon 3. Means what now? A is holding what now? 4 7 1 3. Splitting by what colon? Yes, so colon there, yeah, fine. So in the box I get there now 4 comma 7 comma 1 comma 3. What type of class of a list? Okay, you can split by space or whatever it is, but better always keep by what space. Fine, clear now? That's why I told you split you have to at least use for 1 hour. 1 hour is compulsory to work on split. Split is the most common method or most widely used in the Python. Okay. A is what type first of all? Dist. Now that's why connecting to what there? STR. What? Sum of A. See, normally I can do, suppose A equal to what? So and so elements there, na? I can do that. Print sum of what? A. Okay. Example, what I'll pass, suppose 2 space 3 space 4 space 5 plus 6. How much ma? 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 6 20. Got or not? Make a note this one. If I separate files now, will become like 500 programs. That's why I'm keeping in one file only. Or what will happen? All is go 500 programs are. But actually doing what? 800 programs totally. Till now, I think you have solved 150 questions till now. But don't know your capacity. You don't know yourself capacity, or you are not practicing also. Both things are there. Try to be smart, or else more 1 year only left. Dynamics. Don't know? You are living in which world? Boston Dynamics, you don't know. You seen, I'm saying, we all humans are like what we seen, but we don't remember. That's what we think. Why? Because you have only what? 512 KB of memory only. Not MB also. Only what? KB, kilobytes. MB means how much, ma? GB? PB? Huh? PB. Okay, YG? At least no YG, okay. Yoga byte. Per day on YouTube or any Instagram, people upload na stuff. You're not the only Indians, you're uploading the reels or whatever it is, the content there. So per day, one, not even one also, 3 yogabytes happen. That much data uploading daily. 3 yogabytes total size of the earth. That much data people are uploading on the net. Okay. So Boston Dynamics one company, they're making out robots. Already they sold. Now they're trying on monkeys. So soon humans gets replaced with water. Monkeys, you can say. That is enough for you. That's why I'm telling you what, be smart. Or else tomorrow we in the place of you, human will not be kept. In place of me, one more faculty will not come. One more monkey will come. They will teach. Yeah, really, that is a you thought until now. In real, like what? One day will be hang smartphone, something. One anytime you thought Corona will be there. So these are all the upcoming things which you have to know. Koba. Have you know Koba? Have you know Koba? KOBA. Not seen movie. Dawn of the Earth of the Apes. Apes. Something we will see. What will see, I'll tell you. I recently seen her ad. Then Metro, some ad was there. Leave it. Now what I'm doing there, why I'm keeping this plus symbol there? Concatenation. To make what? Concatenation. Because if I just pass sum of A, will not work. That's why making the what? str there. Now what happened? The sum of so and so thing. Let me pass some values there. Suppose 3 space 4 space 5. How much answer now? 12. So what I'll get the output there? The sum is space 12. Got the clarity there? Why I'm keeping there what? Plus symbol there. So what I'm doing there? Type conversion there. Type conversion. What about this one? Simply can pass. So let me pass some values here. So we'll pass some values. Suppose 4 space 6 space 8 space 2 space 5. How much? I don't know. 10, 25. I don't know. 25 maybe. Okay. So by applying this technique, you can calculate the sum, but not a product. But not a product. I can't. There is nothing called as what? Method called as PROD. Okay. See that there. No. But by built-in, you have their what? Sum. By built-in, what you have there what? By default, you have the what? Sum. Okay. But if you want to use PROD, I'll tell you. You have to use the math module. You have to use the math module. Okay. Make a point this one clearly there. And this line should come up. After copy, cut. This line should go below. So again, I have to pass some values. 2 space 3 space 4. How much around? 9. Make a note clearly. Okay. And very, very important. This topic is very, very important. In the strings topic, the most important topic is split. Splitta. Done. Shall I keeping comments now? Okay. Next topic here. Tell the answer fast. Just now over. Okay. Not in Monday also. Not in 1 hour also. Hello, comma. Welcome, comma. 2, comma. Josh Innovations. Okay. I get the answer in terms of what? Bracket. It is what type? List. Okay. What about this one? Hello, comma. Welcome, comma. Space 2. Space also counted. Next, Josh, comma. Innovations. Answer get in the box or tuple or what? No. Okay. Maybe they practiced, you don't know. I'm sending the same file and they have practiced. What about this? From which position? Python. This you told now. This also tell the same thing. Python hash C hash. Here what happened? C1 there. When it is sort of split hash, means what? Various hash is there. What happened there? Space came there. When I say 0 means what? No space. Means what here? Starting with what? 0. Starting with what? Python there. Don't leave it anything there. What happened there? Python hash, all things came at one time there. When I go with 1, we'll start with what now? C there. C1. This will not understand. This you have to observe once. Starting from where now? C. When I say 2, we'll start from where now? Java. See there. When I say 3, we'll start from where now? R. When I say 4, 4 is same as what? 4 is same as who? Hash only. I have only 4 here. Yes or no? So 4. That was not useful, but you have to use this one. Make a note of this one. Copy any two. Or copy everything, make it fast, but in suppose place of hash there is space. Then what will keep? Remove hash, keep the dot space. If there is hyphen, keep the dot hyphen. So I'm telling once again, spend at least 1 hour, okay? Spend 1 hour for split, then you can easily understand Python easily. Or you can see what 50% of Python you know. You don't know, but you know now 50% of Python. So if I say hash means what? Where has there what got there? Comma. When I say 0, start with Python. When I say 1, start with C. When I say 2, start with Java. 3 means what? Start with R. Done? Ravindra, clear? See nothing now here before the variable, before the string. What I kept the water? R. Where R is called as raw string. Raw string. Normally, if I try to print, what I'll get no answer now? Hello, next in what? Programming. What type it is? String. Yes or no? But when I keep there before the variable R also, same thing, but now different answer. Where I can print the escape sequences also. Hello will come, backslash will come, program will come as it is. What type it is? A class of a string. Like how I can't print like what hello backslash Bharat so and so thing. Sometimes you want to print like what by using a single character only there. Suppose I can't print like what now? Uh, hello URO or yes or something there. I can't print yes or no. But with the help of R, it's possible. So either you can keep 2 times or else before the string keep the water R. So normally what the faculties will do, I don't think some faculties will tell about the R also there. How many of you know this about this R in the C language? Okay. So actually they have to tell you about the, if faculty is not explaining about the escape sequences, so some faculties they skip that part. What they'll do, they'll tell about the R. Why you using all those techniques, time waste, keep before the string the what R as it is will get what printed. Okay. But you have to know that technique also and this technique also. Okay. So if I want to print backslash and also I can print now. But before the string I'll keep the what R and it is still what a string only. Make a point. Okay, done. So before the string, we keep the what? R. It will be counted as what? Raw string, and it is still what? A string, where you can keep the escape sequences or yo or whatever it is, Farooq or any name or Ankit, all these names gets what? Printed. Suppose if I have their AP programming, this also gets what? There printed. No need of keeping it what 2 times forward slash or all those things. But normally if I don't keep R, will this code work now? What is output now? Hello, programming. And what type? String type. But if you want this backslash A also, then you can keep before the string R, or else you have to keep the what? 2 times backslash. 2 times backward slash you keep, or else keep before the what? R. Now what is the answer now? 2 times backward slash also gets no what? Printed. See there. So before the string, if you keep R as it is, you get what there? Printed. Okay. Fine. Okay. No. Take some time or tell the answer now. Hello? Not? Hello, comma, welcome to space, comma, Josh Innovations. In what? Bracket or square bracket? Square bracket. It is what? List. What about this one now? Where I kept the what? True I kept. What I kept the not now? True. So when I keep this to what happened? Even this backslash n gets also what? Printed. Means what? Hello is one part. Hello backslash is one part. Then welcome to backslash is one part. Josh Innovations. Make a note of this one. So in the split lines, if you mention true, even the escape sequence also gets what? Printed. And this one depth no one will ask you, but you have to know. Because HR or interview or technical round also they don't know. Yeah, 90% they don't know. I'm saying now, go and check. Attend interview, you'll know. And from next month, your goal should be what? Attend interviews outside, inside, or wherever it is. If for attend an interview, you'll understand what they're asking in the Python there. Okay. No matter your second year, third year, whatever it is. If you're second year also, attend. Yeah, my results not came. Applied for evaluation, something. Make one story. Attend interview. Getting job, then again big problems. Because for one of my students, same thing happened. His mechanical branch got 12 lakhs package. Company last decision of a mechanical, how can we hire? But recently again he got job yesterday only. 7 lakhs package. Not 7, 8 lakhs package. But depends how much you're practicing. Without practicing, don't think even a watchman job also will get. Why? Because watchman also what he'll do at the night, he has to not sleep. If he sleeps, then Praveen is responsible. Praveen Amshi is responsible. Where in class they'll talk. Now Z fill means what? Zero fill. Z fill means what? Zero fill. Sometimes he'll start now. We want to check whether I have entered really 10-digit numbers or not. So now check how many characters are in hello now? 5. How many I want to have there actually? 9. But how many have there? 5. So before H, 4 zeros will be added. Which side? Left side. If I say suppose I want there what? 4 characters. How many characters are there now? How many are there? 5. Anything happens there? See there. Nothing happens. If I say I want 5 characters there. 5 there or not there? There. Nothing going to happen there. Okay. But I want 6 characters there now. How many are there now? 5. So how many missing there? 1. So what happens there? In that missing area, I'll get there what? 0. What the point? Make a note. Z fill stands for what? Zero fill. Depends upon how many characters are here. Here how many characters? 5. How many I want? 9. So 4 are left. So at the left side, 4 zeros will be what get what added there. Fast have to go. More few minutes. Done. Okay. Now J equal to what? Hey, how are you doing? I want to partition with the help of what? R. Means on R separate part. After R what? Separate part. See once there. Don't write. See the screen once. See here. Before R it is what? One part. After R what? One part. What total here? Partition. Make a note of this one. Making what? How many parts? When I say part means what? 2 ways, na? So hey, how is what? One part. You doing is what? No, one part. And by default R is what? One part. Totally 3 parts. What is the position of hey, how? 0. You doing position 2. In terms of minus 1. Either on the last one, what I'll do? -1. Because we can't count length, na? We can't. I think done. No. What have T equal to hey, how are you doing? R equal to T dot partition with what? U. Print R. What I get? Hey, how R is one part, U is one part, doing question mark is what? One part. See there now. And now if I say 2 means what I'll get now? Thing once. If I say 2, R of 2, what I'll get? Doing. Because 0 position what? Hey, how are? 1 position what? U. 2 position what? Doing question mark. So this also can do the part. Fine. Okay. Next I have the what? R partition. R partition. Previously I had the what only? Partition. R partition is what from which side now? Right side. See what I told R partition Python. I have Python here also now, here also. Means what happens? We'll get partition from here onwards. Run the code once. See that. We are learning Python programming is one part. Python is one part. From these onwards, what? One part. But if I only mention the what? Only partition now. Tell the answer once. We are learning is one part. Python one part. Programming to last etc. is what now? One part. See there. Clear? So when I mentioned I have two Pythons here. If I have 3 also, what happens here? If I have partition sort left side, if I R means what? From right side. Okay. Clear? Okay. Now gesture. This is a very important and very difficult also can see. See, I'm saying that what L just what 7. What I want to pass there? Programming basics. Now see once very totally unique piece. This is. So which side I got to? I told left, but where I got to? Right. And where I got to after what? Spaces, 7 spaces. Convents. Python how much there? 6. Here I told what? Space. Suppose if I keep there what? Suppose 6 only. Now see what happens here. If I keep there 5 now. Python? Programming basics. Will I have any space? Why space? Suppose let us keep now 4. So by default, you'll have a space there. By what? Default. After Python, you'll get their part. But if you keep what, suppose 14. Now Python, how much? 6. 6 plus what? 8 now. 8 spaces you have to get now. Okay. That much depth you don't go. So something you keep the number there, what? 7. Means what will have now? Python, how much? 5, 6 characters. This what will give me what? Space. And main thing, when I say L just, I'll get what? Which side? Right side. I'll get which side? Right side. Make a note of this one once fast. And when I say R just is on which side now? Left side. Python, how much? 6. Here 10. 10 minus 6 what? 4. Which side I got? Check once. What I got there? Space. But programming basics where I got? Right side. But in this case, what happened in the case of LJust? Space came, but what happened here? Starting only told what? Space. But starting and getting the space there? No. Different technique here. First stop writing or writing now? Don't copy this one, wait. Just copy this one once. This surely copy the LJust part. And this LJust, RJust, no one going to ask, okay? Only like top if you're going for Google company or Wipro, not Wipro also, Google, Yahoo, or IBM, if you're going these companies, they may ask. But normal companies, MNC companies, they won't ask. Done? Let us keep this side now. LJust means what, which side came there? Right side what came? Spaces. Now, I told you what, RJust what? 10. Means what, which side now? Which side? Left side. We'll get what? 4 spaces. At the left side, I'll get the what? 4 spaces. To make you more understand, I have taken the what? Z equal to Python, Z R just. What I'm passing there now? R. Passing there what now? R. See what's there now? In those 4 places, what I get the what? 4R. At which side? Left side. In this case, what happened? This is separate part now. This is separate part. This is separate part. You can see there now. Okay. Make a note of this one. 481 and 482 once fast. Doubt there, ask. Mada, I know this three. And when I have this bracket, what happens there? Only water get this side, only water spaces. Yeah, meeting is going to end. We'll stop till 480. 2 line. Okay. Just few things are there only, but tomorrow within 5 minutes we'll go to complete this part. Okay, we'll stop till here. Till line number what? 480, you can say. Till line number what? 480. Make a point. Line number what? 480. Stop.